Hello. Ooh, it's about to show my age there and go Lionel over Adele. So we are back with this set that I drew on my tablet. We've done 1, 2 and 3. We've done 1, 2 and 3, yes. We're now doing 4 and 5 today. We're starting off with Picalilli Circus, big dot in the middle, and you're done. I'm joking, you're miles away from being done. We are doing some rays, as this, it isn't a sunshine, I don't think. Maybe it is, I don't know. So I'm just doing some strips of Picalilli Circus, and then just assume from here on out that if I put a colour next to another colour, it's had a half cure. If I put something on top of it, it's had a full cure. You know what you're doing, you know. Well, maybe you don't, and I'm being absolutely no help whatsoever, but you catch my drift. So we're popping on some colours. I will list them all in the description below. That one was Summer Peach, and this is Bubblegum. Oh, and the purple is Violet Vibes. The blue is Boarding Pass, and the black is Blackout. So we're just going to pop those colours on, and no particular order again. And then once they're all on, it will have a full cure. I think, I don't know, I can't remember. It was yesterday, and I'm not going to lie, been drinking again. But it's Saturday. Yesterday was Friday, which means it was fine. And today is Saturday, so it is also fine. But it does mean I'm about to massacre your eardrums for the remaining 8 minutes of this video. Maybe put it on mute. Might be more pleasing for you. So this is Alaska. The green is Palm Beach, and that will all go in the lamp. And then I'm just adding some lines of Alaska. It's differing slightly from the drawing that I did, but I think they all have. And I think every time I draw a set and then paint it, they always differ, because sometimes it's a lot easier to draw something on a tablet than it is to actually paint it, or I decide to add more. Who knows? It's just always different. They're just a guide. We're using them as a guide. So adding some diddly doodads, dots and crosses, and some black lines. I'm finding black and white, especially black, is really making colours pop. You don't always sort of think that it will, but it does. So giving him a little face, little happy face. Oh, and one more line, because why not? And then added some stars, because as usual, once a nail's finished, I have to keep on going. Add some more. And then I will outline these stars with Blackout when I'm done. Not the best stars, and they get ruined even more by my outlining, but never mind. Oh, some more dots. I tried to sort of supercut this video. Supercuts. Any style, $9.99. Supercut this video to within an inch of its life, so that I didn't have to torture you for too long. But I haven't watched it back before doing this voiceover, so I don't know how well it's done. So popping those next to the ones we've done so far. And that's what it looks like at the moment. And now we are doing this one, which is going to be the last one. And it's the technique that we've done on all the other nails. So it's nice and straightforward, starting off with Alaska to make everything pop. And it means that the colours will only need one coat. I mean, they're super opaque anyway, but putting white under them is just making them pop even more. So running some wiggly dibbly bits of Blackout. And look, see, that didn't need to be in there. You could have cut that. I know this is another late video, I'm afraid, but I have... I was going to edit it this afternoon, but it was really sunny, so I went and sat in the garden. I couldn't see what I was doing it, and then I was going to edit it earlier on in the evening, but then I noticed the moon was out, so I had to get on my helicopter and go and see the moon, and it was amazing. Although now I just want to spend thousands of pounds on an even better helicopter. Telescope. You know, it's the same thing now. It's come to mean the same thing to me. So adding the colours here, as I said before, half curing before I put a colour next to another colour, and just filling in all the gaps. That is Vivid Violet. No, it's not. It's Violet Vibes. I'm talking out my ass. And I just went over the white here because it's only had one coat, but I want that to... Oh, there's a nice close-up of my thumb. You're welcome. It's okay, it's okay, you're welcome. So yes, I went over that white because that's going to stay white, so I did a second coat on it. Adding some stars and dots and small dots and big dots and bigger dots. Well, that's not a dot at all. That's the lesser known bean-shaped planet. It's called Heinz 5757. Oh, it's so bad that I find myself hilarious. But I do have the same sense of humour as myself, so that's fine. It's fine. So dot, 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 diddly-doo dots. And the tiny dots, because I saw through my helicopter, even when you can't see stars with the naked eye, just looking up at the sky, look through a helicopter and there's telescope, you know what I mean, and there's like billions of them, and then even really more faint ones in the distance that you know are just billions of light years away. So I'm still like, my mind's still boggling at the amazement of the sky. I added some more bubblegum here because I thought that white section was a bit too big. I didn't want it to be the biggest part in white. We've had enough over the years. We don't need the biggest part of this nail as well. So also adding another star. The stars are getting a tiny bit better. They're still not great. But you see what it's meant to be, and that's all that matters for now. And outlining the star. And then I think I'm happy with that. I was, yay! So now I'm top coating with diamond gloss, of course. And that is it. All 5 from that design are done. I really hope you have a play with some crazy funky designs like this, because even though I'm bored of this set because that was an unfortunately timed hiccup, because I've been doing it over a few days, it was just really fun to do, and it's really fun to look at. I think I show a picture, a sort of more official picture, there we go, of all 5 together. So have fun with it, have fun with some crazy colours. We've got nothing else to do. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for lots more videos, and who knows what's going to be on tomorrow? I don't, not a clue. Thanks for watching. See you then. Bye-bye.